Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the typography of your website. The typography is how your website text look. So you want to make it more sober and easy to read for your reader. So let's go ahead and see what you can do with this website there. So let's see one of my website here. Let's go and see how it look. The type of text. So as you can see, I don't like how this website look. The text looks shabby, so I want to make it more enticing and easy for readers to read. So I want to make some changes to the text, how the text look here. So to do that, you want to go to you can go from here, customize area here, or you may want to go here from the dashboard of your website and go to appearance, go over to appearance and go to customize. It's the same thing. Go to customize. It is the same thing. So here as the customize area is where you're going to change the layout of your website, the colors, the site title, the site identity. Here you can, at the site identity, you can change the site title. You can add tagline to your website. You can change your logo. You can add logos to your website. Add, you can also add icons, site icons to your website, at your site identity. Layout. You can you can adjust how the layout of your website look like. So the colors, you can adjust the colors of your website here. Typography, here is where we are gonna be adjusting, tweaking the text, how the text looks like here. General settings. So here you can adjust how your website look like also here. So menu, you can adjust your menu here. Widgets, you can adjust your widgets there. Home page, you can set up your home page here. WooCommerce and the rest of them. So let's go ahead and adjust the typography of our website here. So here you want to add fonts here. So you want to add fonts to this place here. So this shows how we want the font to look like. Which font type do you want? So just want to click this box here. So I want my font to be let's say I want to use Replica for the font. Replica font family. Okay. So the font has been changed. So there the font has been changed. So use Google Fonts as API. So if you like, we want to use Google Fonts as API. So as you can see, the font has changed a little bit. So if you like, we want to use the Google Font as API. Yeah. Okay, then we want to add font again. If you like. So typography manager. So here you're going to add typography. So you want to scroll down here. Here is where we are going to adjust the typography of our website. So typography manager. So let's configure so let's target an element here. I'm using the January Press theme. So your all might different from here. So the HTML. So the HTML, which font family do you want for the HTML? So the HTML, let's target the fonts for the HTML. So let's say inherit for the HTML. You can set up the size there. And when you finish, you click add, close, and add typography. So let's target another one again. Let's target the body. So the body, which typography do you want for the body? So let's say I want Evica for the body also. So how font style, you can choose the font style there. This normal, italic, oblique, or initial. So let's make it normal. Text decoration. Let's put it on default. Here you can add how big you want the fonts to look like. So you can increase the number. You can increase the number of the font here. And to make the font bigger, the length, the height, you can adjust the height here. And when you finish, you click add typography. So you want to target another one again. Let's target the site title. So what is the font family? What font family do you want for the title? For your title, for your site title? So let's use inherit for the site title. This site title here. So inherit for the site title. You can adjust the weight of the site title here. And test inform. Okay. You can adjust the length here, the height here, and when you finish, you hit add typography. Add typography. So let's target another one again. Let's target another one. Let's target another element again. Favorite item. More table. Content button. All headings. So all headings, these are headings here. So I want to target all these headings here. So if you want to target all of them, or you want to target one by one, this heading 1, heading 2, single content title, each one. Heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5. So I want to target all of them at once, all headings. So what do you want to use for the all headings? So let's use Eureka for all headings. So you can adjust the font, the height, the all there. Then when you finish it, add typography. So now let's say, so all edits are the same item, the same font. So let's say I want the heading 1 to be a little bigger than the heading 3. Let's target again. So I want to target heading 1. I want to make it bigger than. So font weight. So I want to make it bold. Font size. I want to make it more larger. As you can see, it's more larger than the others. So when you finish it, so it is more bolder and larger than the rest of them. So it's more different from the rest now. So when you finish it, add typography. And when you finish all, scroll down here. Now that our typography has been set, let's go up here and hit publish. Now let's see how it looks like now. Let's check it out. Visit the site. So the typography of the website now look worse. Let's check this simple page out. The simple and easy to navigate, easy to read. So that's how you adjust the typography of your website. I'm using the General Press for this website, General Press thing. It is very easy and very, very easy to customize. So if you want to check it out, the link is down below. So guys, let me know if you have any question, drop it down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.